Vaishnavi Janardhan Samase. My school name is ZB Primary School, Kudarvasti. I am in 4th standard.
Okay, Vaishnavi, now we are in Spelling Bee, week 37. I will ask you some words. You try to tell spelling and meaning of these words. Ready?
Ready.
Let's start. Quilt.
Quilt, quilt means godadi.
Ladder.
Ladder, ladder means shidi.
Igloo.
Iglo, igloo means finger.
Owl.
Owl, owl means guban.
Quail.
Quail, quail means lavar pakshi.
Vase.
Vase, vase means fuldani.
Whale.
Whale, whale means demasa.
Feather.
Feather, feather means piece.
Gloves.
Glove, gloves means hath moje.
Hammer.
Hammer means hatoda.
Mirror.
Mirror, mirror means arsa.
Yacht.
Yacht, yacht means nauka.
Wheel.
Wheel means truck.
Arm.
Arm means hath.
Tap.
Tap means nal.
Lantern.
Lantern means kandil.
Whistle.
Whistle means chitti.
Lighthouse.
Lighthouse means lighthouse means Dipgruha.
Cabbage.
Cabbage means gobi.
Carpet.
Carpet means galisa.
Very good.